Want to fix action blocked or rate limit errors on threads and get back to posting? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, you want to check whether you have reached Meta's hourly or daily limits by waiting at least 15 minutes before retrying. Sometimes the simplest solution is to give the system time to reset. Then open threads. Now tap on your profile icon. Now go to settings by tapping on the two lines at the top right corner. From here, select account. Now confirm your account is in good standing with no outstanding appeals or security holds. Next, you want to verify your network connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data or toggle on the airplane mode on and off to force a fresh IP assignment. In rare cases, a blacklisted IP can trigger rate limits, so this quick reset often helps. After that, you want to clear any cache data. For that, launch open settings. Now select apps. Then find threads and tap on that. Now tap on the storage option. Tap on clear cache. Once that is done, launch Open Threads app and check if your problem has been fixed. If error persists, you want to review any third-party automation or scheduling tools you're using. Bulk posting or auto-liking via pods is a common trigger for rate limits and action blocks. Disable those integration and try manual posting for a few hours. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.